Hey everybody, this is just a quick video in case you have a Miele brand washing machine and you're getting an F86 error. So what is this error and how can we get rid of it? So basically the error is just that there's a fault in the salt container lid. So the salt container lid has a sensor to make sure that it's closed and everything like that. It has a little switch magnet that holds it closed, and there's something wrong there. It's either not functioning properly, or the switch is not functioning properly, or the sensors are not functioning properly. Something like that is going on with your salt container lid. So you might need to just look in there and see if you see anything that's defective and try those different parts. But before I would start replacing any parts or calling a technician or anything like that, I would just kind of jiggle everything around in there and then do a hard restart on the machine. So just turn the machine off and then unplug it from the wall, or turn it off at the circuit and leave it unplugged for a full minute. And then plug it back in so it resets everything, and see if the error doesn't come back, and hopefully that'll clear everything out. So anyways, I hope this helped at least understand what the issue is. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.